Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to optimize your Squarespace website for mobile. Let's begin. Optimizing your Squarespace website for mobile devices is crucial, as a significant portion of web traffic comes from mobile users. Now, while editing your website, you can preview how it looks on mobile devices by using the built-in mobile preview feature, and that's going to be on the top right corner. As you can see right now, we are on the desktop view. I want you to toggle and switch to the mobile view. All right? Because from here, you need to ensure that the text is easily readable on mobile. For example, this one. So you might want to adjust the font size and spacing, because as you can see, it's different for mobile and the desktop or laptop screens. Okay? And as you can see, I'm not happy with how it looks. All right? You might want to avoid using large blocks of text that may overwhelm mobile users, like this one. So I kind of like, I wanted to delete this one for now, or maybe like adjust it. So this, or entirely you just want to delete that. Okay, you need to optimize your images to load quickly on mobile devices. You can compress images to reduce the file size without losing quality. All right, you can also use say for example, we're going to add a block. Here, add a section, and I'm going to add maybe a block. Right, I'm gonna head back. Now, always ensure that images are in formats like JPEG or PNG, and keep them under 500 kilobyte to improve loading times. Alright, so mobile screens are smaller, as you can see, so simplify your layout for a more user-friendly experience. Now, if you're not happy with this kind of design, just go to exit, and let's go to the home page, wherein Squarespace templates are here free, which are responsive, and we're going to search for the a template that provides good mobile usability from the start. All right, so go to the design and go to template, and there's going to be an option here that says explore all templates. Of course, we're going to be heading back to the popular topics. For now, we're going to choose maybe a travel. Okay, I'm gonna click on next. Right, so you might want to choose the appropriate information so that the Squarespace would load related to the brand or website that you wanted to build with. Now, I'm going to be publishing a blog or other media. I'm going to click on next. Now you have two options. You can build a custom website guided by Squarespace Blueprint AI, or you can choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. So I'm going to choose the first one. And here, now all you have to do is maybe search for the template. This one, the Crosby. You can start with the design. I'm going to be choosing that. You see, you have the option to the mobile view. So at this stage, you can gauge if the template is going to be for the website that you're planning to build, which is mobile optimized. That will provide user experience with easy navigation, readable text, and well-placed buttons, increasing the chances that visitors will stay on your site and take action. So I'm going to start with this design because I feel like this template offers a straightforward but intuitive interface for mobile. Of course, you have the option to edit the pages once you are here. As you can see, you can add and remove pages in the pages panel when you're done. Let's click that, and of course, we're going to choose the mobile view. All right. Now, of course, you need to click on the edit button if you're not familiar with the dashboard for now, or the interface. You have on the right section, that's going to be edit section. All right. You can put in the title for this one. For example, this. All right. You can add some logo if you wanted. Let's do that right now. Now on the logo height, of course, you can adjust that. Mobile logo max height, you have that, you see? You can drag and drop, you're not limited, all right? Mobile logo image, you see that the logo here is 20 MB max, and of course you need to upload like JPEG, PNG. These are going to be some of the well-known acceptable file formats. We're going to add a mobile logo. Just wait for it to load. You see that? And of course, we have the option to drag that here. You see that? Now you can view the menu like this, navigation. You can edit the design if you wanted. For example, the link spacing. See that? You can be creative. You're not limited. You have the option for alignment. Is it going to be centered on the side, on or this side? You see there's going to be social media icons at the bottom. You can choose the color. For it, so it's dark, right? You can choose the lightest, light 2. You see there's going to be a pencil icon. You see that? Because on the right side, you can choose the color theme. Changes you will make affect all the sections that use this color theme. So for example, I leave the discretion to you because not everyone has the same taste and preferences in terms of color. But the idea is you can change the color here. All right. You see the site styles. When you click that, what will happen is you would be forwarded to the section here. You have the design and the color. And the most important thing while doing all of these, you might want to ensure that all the social media icons are placed on the bottom because many people access social media on their phones. And if they click through your website from a platform like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, a mobile optimized ensures that they interact smoothly with their content. And of course, once you're happy, you might want to click on the save button. And optimizing your Squarespace site for mobile is critical to ensure that your site performs well, meets user expectations, drives engagement and conversions from mobile users. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.